Bollywood actors Manoj Bajpayee and Prachi Desai, along with director Abhan Deohans, open up in an interview following the release of their latest movie, Silence 2, The Night Owl Bar Shootout. The sequel follows the success of its predecessor, Silence, Can You Hear It? Reflecting on their experiences, the cast and crew discussed the intricacies of the film's plot and the thrill of bringing it to life. Prachi Desai emphasized the director's commitment to keeping audiences on the edge of their seats with the film's twists and turns, while Manoj Bajpayee highlighted the importance of understanding the previous installment for preparation. Amidst sharing anecdotes of filming in Delhi, Bajpayee also celebrated the milestone of completing his 100th film. Take a look.
Abhan said, I will not let my audience breathe. Let me give them so many spinners in the script, one after the other.
Silence 1 was one story. So other franchise mein we are taking another story. It is their search for the truth, which is what the story will be about.
I personally feel that OTT is the writers and the actors' medium. It's a journey of one man with the support of many. It's miraculous because it's a journey of a village boy who left his village at the age of 18. So yeah, it's a long, miraculous journey.
Hello everyone, welcome to Delhi. How is Delhi treating you? And Manoj sir, Delhi और आपका रिश्ता तो बहुत पुराना है. So जब भी आप इधर आते हो एक nostalgia feeling आती है?
हमेशा, because सारी जो सड़कें हैं और जो गलियां हैं और उन सब पे जो है बहुत सारा समय गुजरा है. लेकिन बहुत सारी सड़कें अब और गलियां कुछ नई भी आ गई हैं. बहुत सारे फ्लाईओवर्स नए आ गए हैं, बहुत सारी बिल्डिंग्स नई आ गई हैं. तो जाहिर सी बात है, लेकिन मैं लगातार आता रहा हूँ यहाँ पे, तो आई एम यूज्ड टू इट. आई एम यूज्ड टू सीइंग दिल्ली ग्रोइंग and taking a new shape.
Yeah.
The one thing that has never changed is the greenery right in the middle of it. I just hope that never changes. Yeah, because that's the heart of it, and that's the
so true.
Yeah.
Delhi is green.
Yeah, it's green.
And also the food.
Oh.
Food, yeah. I mean, one thing, you know, what is beautiful about Delhi that you cannot afford to have one favorite place.
Yeah.
You can stop your car anywhere, even at the roadside dhaba or a thela, and you can just go ahead and order anything, and you should be sure that you'll be treated with something fantastic. Like मुझे याद है कि जिसको हम लोग कहते हैं पाया सूप,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah.
वो हम लोग के समय में उसको यहाँ पे बोलते थे खरोड़े. हाँ, खरोड़े बोलते थे. और वो सर्दी के दिनों में बहुत ठेलों पे मिलता था, मतलब काट पे.
इंजरीज को हील करने के लिए वो बहुत अच्छा होता है.
हाँ, और वो नहीं, वो जनरली जो है बहुत ज्यादा इधर मिलता था, खास करके यूनिवर्सिटी साइड में, कैंप साइड में. तो विंटर में इट्स ऑल फॉगी एंड देयर इज वन कार्ट देयर व्हिच इज सर्विंग पाया सूप, खरोड़े जिसको बोलते थे. हम लोग अफोर्ड कर पाते थे तो हम लोग जाके वो खाते थे, पीते थे. बट गुर्दे कपूरे, ऑल ऑफ दैट, आई कांट फॉरगेट tasting all of those things. You know, all of those things tasted very differently when you didn't have money.
Yeah.
But now it tastes very different.
Because the places where you eat is also different.
Yeah, now they are completely different. Yeah.
It's more succulent,
Yeah.
more flavorful.
Right.
यहाँ पे everything is sanitized,
Yeah. So that's, you know, it's amazing that you go back to your favorite places of the past.
Yeah.
And you try to
Relive
that, but somewhere you think that something is missing.
Yeah.
There is always something missing there. I think what is missing is the time that you just left behind.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Exactly.
Absolutely. Memories, I would say.
Memories,
Right?
yeah.
Reliving की बात की, आपने ACP अविनाश को भी relive किया with Silence 2. I really want to know, and Sanjana also, right? So I want to know, आपने जब ये reprise किया ये characters, was it easy to go back and revisiting the syllabus with a new touch?
बोलिए.
You know, I think Silence 1, there was so much new to explore in terms of dynamics within the team. Also, we are new to that story. We are so new to the characters. So, post lockdown, all of
Yeah.
us coming back to the sets for the first time, I think the feeling was very different. This time around, I think Aban said, I will not let my audience breathe. Let me give them so many spinners in the script, one after the other. And well, हमारा काम फिर बढ़ ही गया because there are multiple murders happening.
Yeah.
So we have that much more work to do. This time around, I think the script, it has so much detailing in it, and there's so much that we need to tell the audience while we're taking them through the investigation. For us, we had to get so much more thorough with, with the details, with
Yeah.
the way that certain murders took place. What are the clues we can find in it or not? So पहले हमें बहुत सारा समझना पड़ा. तब जाकर हम I think audience को वो कहानी बता पाए.
Yeah.
And in terms of our characters, मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा मजा आया because this time in real life and in real life we have worked with Manoj sir.
Yeah.
So that dynamic in the film, it was so much nicer. This time we were more comfortable on and off screen.
Yeah.
There was great friendship on and off screen, and yes, I think this time थोड़े से mature भी हो गए हैं हम. So earlier he was just getting fed up with all of us and explaining कि क्या करना है क्या कराना है. This time I think थोड़ी सी हमने थोड़ी मदद और कर दी है.
अरे इनमें बहुत सारी मदद कर दी
It's matter again.